We start this half hour with continuing coverage. A key hearing in the case of embattled Ottawa County Health Officer Hambley was delayed by a judge today. 13 on your side, Josh Roberts has been following the story from the beginning. He joins us now. Josh, you were in court today. What happened?
Well, today we were expecting to hear testimony from witnesses, including the county clerk and some commissioners, as to what exactly happened behind closed doors during discussions over a possible $4 million settlement to get Hambley to resign and drop her lawsuit. But any possible testimony has now been delayed till next week, as the judge said she needs time to review new documents she only just received this morning. Hambley's attorney has asserted that the settlement was final after a 7-3 vote from commissioners earlier this month to accept counsel's, quote, recommendation regarding litigation and settlement activities. But as those discussions took place in closed session, county legal counsel has said that that's not what the recommendation was or what that vote was really about. They are now moving to quash or stop these subpoenas, saying they can't voluntarily offer closed door minutes without a court order. We spoke to attorneys on both sides about what went on today and what might happen next.
I personally have no problem with the minutes being supplied, but we have to follow the law. And, we're constrained. I mean, there's nothing more I can do. So if the judge orders differently, awesome. But we can't just volunteer to violate state law.
I think it's necessary to take evidence here, given the representations that were made by the defense in their response brief that we think are just not true. And we think that evidence will fairly clearly refute those.
And if you remember, this all stemmed from an attempt to remove Hambley without notice in January and a termination hearing last month for actions she took during the county budget process that the board chair alleged demonstrated incompetence. County commissioners are set to resume their special meeting on whether to fire, settle with, or take other action regarding Hambley. That's scheduled for tomorrow. This court date has now been rescheduled for next Monday at 9 a.m. In the newsroom, Josh Albertus, 13 on your side.